let's take, for example, you wanted to use the working model. Now I'm switching to wealth. Now let's take, for example, you want to use the working model, like you want to work for these people, and then you want to eventually get paid, right? You are only limited to work 24 hours in a day. And we all know that you can't work for 24 hours a day. So let's even say that you are working for 12 hours. Let's say you're working for 12 hours. And then maybe you are working at, let's say you're working at an hourly rate of $20 per hour, and you're working for 12 hours. That's about that's about 200 per day, right? That's about $240 per day. Now, if you want to start scaling up this and you say, oh, this is a business model, you are only bound to asking for a raise. And we all know that two things are involved. It's either you get your raise or you get laid off. Now, it's actually a gamble. Now, your employer might be petty to say that you're not getting any raise. And we all know the concept of getting raise. It's either you do I think it's shoplifting or something. There's something is called where you jump from one job to another. It's either you do that or you just get stuck on your current job and then hope that, okay, you would wait till it's promotion time. And of course, inflation is not smiling on anyone. So you have to multiplying your skills. Sorry, did you say something?
No, I said, you said inflation is not smiling. I said at all.
Okay. So, or you as let's say you can decide to multiply your skills, right? So you can decide to say, okay, let me multiply myself into 3 persons. You are right to teach these 3 persons how to do whatever you are doing. And at that point, you now start making up to that is 200. Okay, we talked about, I think it was $640 that we talked about in a day, but so $640 daily. So let's say you now start making 640, that is multiplied by 3, that's about 1,000. 640, 3, 4, 12. I don't want to do much calculations here. 18, and then let's just say roughly, approximately, because this is not, I'm not trying to. So let's say approximately I'm making about $2,000 in a day when you multiply yourself into 3 persons, right? Now, this $2,000 in a day, which is a good one, right? But remember, you are also going to be paying the people you are multiplying. So money will have to leave from there as well. But then there is a totally different model whereby you can literally control, you have control over, because now this place you have your 640. One day, one of them might just say that, oh, I'm no more working for you. I've learned this thing. I want to work for myself, right? And get all the money. At that point, you don't have anything to do. Like, you don't have any other option. You don't have a choice. It's now rigged against you. So it's more like you looking at controllable things that you can control, right? So now let's take, for example, the second model for you to build wealth is for you to actually leverage on selling. So selling is more like there's a formula for it. Your unit sold by your unit profit. So now let's take, for example, just like for this affiliate marketing stuff, now you are making 30,000 for one conversion, right? That's your unit profit. So your unit sold depends on how much people that are able to come into your funnel and how much you are able to convert. So let's say, for example, you are converting, let's say you are spending 2,000 naira and you are converting 1 person daily. Now, so like I want to increase to 5,000. You might start making a conversion of 2 people daily, right? Which is 60K. Now you can now decide that, okay, fine, I want to start spending 10,000 naira in a day. You would see that, okay, the amount of money you are going to be making in a day has increased. So you can literally control whatever input factor it is to determine your desired outcome. So like, that's just one of the best ways to leverage on wealth. So that will be all for now. And if you found this valuable, I'll make sure to link the full video right here where I went more in depth into it. So if you're interested in that, you can watch the video right here. And also don't forget to like and share this video to someone who will find it valuable. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out subsequent videos such as this, because I'll be dropping a full training on affiliate marketing. Make sure to check the link in the description. I'm going to link that particular video in the description. So once again, I'm mykailarisa, your friendly value mate. And remember, don't just get online, get noticed.